protein scones 3 ways with 3 delicious flavors. We've got chocolate, we've got peanut, and we've got a classic lemon and sultana. Okay, so we kick off firstly with 500 grams of Odlums self-raising flour into a bowl. To that, then we add a good teaspoon of baking powder. And we're just going to go in with 50 grams of vanilla protein powder and 120 grams of butter. Get your hands in, rub the butter into the flour. We add 300 ml of milk, mix with a wooden spoon. Okay, so now, once you combine everything nicely, and just bring it all together. So it only literally takes 2 seconds. What we do is, we make like a sausage shape, and we cut it into 3. So try and get 3 equal sizes in one. So we're going to go with the sultanas, zest of a lemon. Second one, we're just going to go straight in with the peanuts, like that. And my favorite one, chocolate. So you can go dark chocolate, or milk chocolate, or white chocolate, whichever you prefer. When we get to this stage, then what we do is we just mix that in. Same with the other one, same with the peanuts in, then fine. With a rolling pin, just gently roll them out slightly and cut your scones onto a tray with parchment paper. So we just brush these with a little bit of egg wash on top. So they go into the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Look how good they look. Right, so we're just going to finish these off. So just cut in half, a little bit of jam, cream on top. That's the lemon and sultana, the chocolate. And we're just going to keep this simple. Good old Irish butter. So we just go with peanut butter on. That's always my favorite. It wins every single time. And there you have it, protein scones with Odlums.